Hi, I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm going to show you how to make this cute little coin envelope using the 123 punch board. To make this coin envelope, you're going to select the size envelope you want to make. It can be any size you want. You're going to follow the instructions on the 123 punch board for the envelope size you want, except you're going to skip the last step. You're not going to round the corners. You're going to just leave them the way they are. Next, you're going to grab a pair of scissors and you're going to trim 7/8 inch off of the side and the top. You can measure that if you'd like, or you can just eyeball it with your scissors. It's a little less than an inch. Then we're going to assemble the envelope like you normally would, except we're going to make sure that this last side here with the part trimmed off is on top of the other flaps. So there you've got your envelope. Now all we need to do is add a button and string closure, and we're going to do that by punching a 1/8 hole in the top flap with the crocodile right in the center. Then we're going to do that right here in the middle. Okay. Now all you need to do is use a 1/2 inch circle and a brad and just pop that on the top flap. And then again down in the hole in the front side here. Now you just take your string, take a little piece of twine, maybe 6 to 8 inches, and you're just going to slide that underneath the circle on the top flap and on the front. There you go. This is perfect for storing accessories in your planner. You can use it for a card or a gift. You can also use it for an interactive element on a scrapbook page with a journaling pocket. And they're just kind of cute and fun and something a little bit different. So thanks for joining me. I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers.